In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the face filters in WhatsApp video call. Firstly, let me tell you that this trick works only for WhatsApp on PC. So I've got WhatsApp here and let's minimize it. And you'll need this application called Snap Camera here. Since Snap Camera was discontinued since January 2023, you're gonna watch my video on YouTube how you can still use the Snap Camera. Link of the video will be given in description. Just go and watch that video firstly. If I launch the Snap Camera right here on my PC, you can see here I've got the Snap Camera perfectly working on my PC. I can choose any lenses from here. And the face filter has been applied. You can apply any lenses from here. So I can keep it to this. And you can use any filters from here. Let's minimize it. After you have launched the Snap Camera on your PC, we can proceed further. As I told you earlier, you have to go to the video link in description in order to get the Snap Camera on your PC. Now the next step is to go to WhatsApp, and then you can directly initiate a video call with any contacts on WhatsApp. Let me video call this contact here. And on this screen, what you're gonna do is click on these three dots and then select the camera from here. We have the Snap Camera option here. Currently it's on integrated camera, so I'm gonna choose the Snap Camera from here. And it loads the Snap Camera, you can see. So that's the way guys how you can use the face filters in WhatsApp video call. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, bye.